So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished doing a little repair on this toilet right here. We didn't adjust anything. What we've done on this is put some new bolts in. So those had failed, the 3 brass bolts that were sitting there. We took it apart. We didn't replace the flange, no gaskets, nothing. But new bolt and then new nuts on the bottom. Put some lube on there, tighten them up so now the tank is tight and there's no dripping off the bottom of the bolt. So you'll have to monitor this. Where you're gonna look, where you're gonna look is off the bottom of these bolts right here on the tank. So one right there, so there's one there, there's one on the back, and then one straight across on the other side. If you see water dripping off the bottom of that bolt, then you need a new gasket. So it's repaired as far as we can see, and we're not gonna sit here, but you'll be sitting here day in and day out. So just monitor that. If it starts to leak, we'll have to get you a new kit and rebuild that the flush valve. So it all comes, it's from Kohler, so we know what it is. It'll be a new gasket and the new bolts again, and then put it back in place. So that's good. We just adjusted the fill valve a little bit. It's overfilling. It's overfilling. So this fill valve is is not shutting down, which means we can take it apart, put a new fill valve in there. We'll have to charge you for that, but we'll talk in a minute about that. So we adjusted it down, and you can see the flush valve itself, the fill tube right here. It's overfilling, and so this is not shutting off. Anyways, got a new shutoff valve on there. Not a new shutoff valve, a new supply line, 3/8 by 7/8 by 20. Braided stainless steel supply. We're gonna go in the other bathroom now. Get the light, please. That's the only repair we did in there. This one, just a quick fill valve replacement, flapper replacement, and then of course a brand new shutoff valve and a brand new supply line. The rest of it's yours. We didn't touch the tank bolts. We didn't touch any of the flush mechanism. Just the new fill valve, the hose coming over, clips on there, and then they said the tank was losing water, so the new flapper and whatnot. So that's all good. So that's our scope of work for what we quoted you. It looks like you'll need a fill valve on the other side. We'll quote you for that, and we'll take another video when we're done.